Hello and welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. My intention on this channel is to teach you how to go from zero to over $1,000 per month in passive income using KDP. And I think that you can do that in 4 months or less with enough dedication, consistency, and a little bit of patience. So the best way to get started is to sign up to the free course. The link is in the description and it puts all of these YouTube videos in the right order, so it makes it a much more step-by-step system for you to follow. Today I was going to make a video about copyright and how to avoid any copyright infringement and make it a little bit clearer for people who have been asking me about that. But as you can see, yesterday was pretty crazy and I think it was actually a record day for me on KDP. So as you can see, I earned $117 in passive income. 90% of that is profit because we've only got ad spend and any softwares that I've bought in the past to help me on this KDP journey. So $117 is around £90, which, considering I did absolutely no work yesterday whatsoever, I think is absolutely fantastic. And it's going to put me on the road to hopefully $1,700 this month. The Q4 effect is well and truly kicking in, and of course I keep publishing really good quality books that people want to buy. So if you want to do the same, just make sure you sign up for that free course. And if you want to go to the next level, then you need the Royalty Accelerator course, which is a paid program, so you can also get that. The link will be in the description. But let's break down this $117 now. So I'll also show you it on here. So there you go, you can see the month so far. Started off pretty nicely, but we've been climbing every day. The trend is very positive, and you can see there $117, November the 21st. That's absolutely fantastic. Mostly that was the UK, with 39% also coming from the US, a little bit in Canada, a little bit in Germany, and a little bit in France. As you can see, that $117 was 47 units, so that's around $2.20 on average per unit. But I did also sell a couple of guest books that give me $7.30 royalty each, so that really helped yesterday's passive income. So if you want a little bit more proof, we can jump over here to the royalties estimator, and you can see in the first 22 days of November we're at $1,240, which is already a record for me, and we've still got over a week left. So as I say, Q4 is very real. I did warn everybody about this around 2 months ago, and I told you need to be creating a lot of books. Some people did, some people didn't. The ones who did will have profited from it, and the ones who didn't will not. But if you've run out of time this year and you've kind of missed the Q4 boost that is happening right now and in the first few weeks of December, then do not worry, because there's always next year, and there's many different seasonal events that can improve your sales by creating certain types of books. And that is covered more in the Royalty Accelerator. But as you can see, I just pulled this page up not to flex the royalties, but just to also give you a bit more proof that yesterday's, as you can see here, income is over $100. So that is absolutely fantastic. I hope that's been helpful, and remember, uploads are every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So I will catch you again on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you next time.